Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I'm...
Yeah, look at this. Starting to rain. Look at that. I'm not sure. Oh, we got that on video. Catching the storm. I'm outside. At least I have my jacket on. I want to film the sky because I want to film the lightning. But okay, guys, so I haven't been vlogging recently. These clouds up here. Look at that. And here's just like another view of these clouds. This is really neat. Hey guys, so for everyone on YouTube, so if you guys are wondering, this is just an experiment because I've been scrolling through YouTube and everything, and I've been seeing people doing like these experimental stuff with the clear blue pregnancy test and everything. So this may not mean nothing, but right. So got the cup here ready. We get the clear blue pregnancy test here. I was seeing this all over YouTube and I'm just curious, and again guys, this is just something for fun, you know. This is like, because again, like, yeah, no, this is just for fun. This is something that, like, you know, I got bored, I was looking on YouTube, saw these tests, and I'm like, you saw people doing them, so it's just for fun. This is not like thing I'm thinking about right now, but just out of curiosity and just for fun. So oh my god, how hard do you have to make these packages to fucking open? Oh yeah, we get the pea right here. I'm not gonna show you, but yeah, I know it's gonna come out not pregnant, but just out of curiosity and out of boredom, like, oh my gosh, this is like so hard to open. There we go. Yeah, we'll take all this garbage to our room. This is just, I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. There we go. We're gonna open this up. If I can. There we go. Oh my god, it's like, and I've always wanted to test this out anyway. So here we got the test. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in my pee. There we go. Now we got this loading. So like shaking it out because I'm like, I don't know why I'm not why I'm scared. So put this right here. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this out. This is disgusting. So we're gonna wait. We got to. It's gonna say not pregnant. I know it. Waited. This should add some interesting content to the video, so. Ooh, you got like 3 out here now. Guys, so I know I haven't been doing like a whole lot of vlogging, but tonight we are going to holiday in the park. First night of holiday in the park. So it looks like. So I just finished some hot chocolate, some really delicious hot chocolate. And 6 o'clock is the tree lighting, so I'm waiting for that. Look at the hair, guys. So pretty. Chocolate was so good. One of my Six Flags cup was so. Guys, so I did get rained on today. I did, like, it was pouring, like, it's really cloudy right now, but maybe later on I can show you like some of the beautiful lights. You can see my bread, like what? I'm not surprised that it's so dead here. Like there's barely any cat. It's gonna get dark out. Look at all these pretty. So I'm gonna get a picture. Okay, a video. This looks so pretty. Let's go ahead and take. This is so pretty. It looks even prettier at night. Just love it. Love this holiday. Hey guys, so this drink right here, root beer fig drink, has a candy cane. pretty much like root beer, but it's delicious. Delicious. You need to get this cute little cup. Like, look at it. It's cute. It's like the snow on it. But cheers.
Hi kids. Do you think you can help these?
All right, everyone, are you ready to help us light the Christmas tree? Yeah! Oh, great! Here we go! All out the holly, put up the tree before my spirit falls again. Fill up the sky.
The time has come to light the Christmas tree. Now, we need everybody's help. Let's all count down from 10. Everybody ready? All right, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, so I just saw the Christmas tree lighting, so now I'm on to the next thing. Yeah, so now it is dark time. Okay. So pretty. So beautiful. As beautiful as all of them, you guys want to see my feet? Here's this one. Is that night? I know I show you guys this. I'll show you guys my favorite part. Let's see my feet again. It's a lot of walking if your feet apart. No, I'm tempting to spend money. Oh, this looks like a bad idea. I have never been on this way. Look at this. So pretty.
Was alive as he could be, and the children singing would laugh perfectly the same as you were.
So I'm back now. I'm home, and I did watch that nativity live, and I got this little pin right here. It says, "The Majesty of Christmas." This is like the live play that I watched, and oh my God, it was the best. I could not record in it, but it was the best. And it's also Pass Holder Appreciation Day, so it was only for the Diamond members and the Ultimate Pass holders and the Legacy Diamond members, so pretty much all that is. So I'm home now. Saw that. It was legit the best. So this vlog is gonna be something really good. So I can't wait to edit this tomorrow. Put it all together for you guys, because I definitely need to add like a vlog. Especially because it's Christmas coming up and Halloween, or not Halloween, Thanksgiving. Halloween's already gone. So I'm home now. I'm gonna go ahead and get into, I'm gonna go get a bath, like a warm bath just to warm me up. And I will be back.